Welcome to Athens Airport. So I've just landed from EasyJet and walking in. You go through these travelators and these are very long. It takes about 20 minutes to actually get to the baggage area. However, along the way, you can see all these signs of saying where you could visit, some information, some history, so it's quite useful. Now, eventually, we have reached the baggage area. Follow the signs to the left and you can find all the belts. You can get some money exchange. There are some leaflets with the maps of Athens and some things you can do. The belt section is quite long, but once you're ready, head out the Clare area and we are now in the main area. There are plenty of shops here and you can see all the signs. We are going to follow the signs towards public transportation. Leave the airport and there's a bunch of taxis. We go all the way across along the zebra crossings. To the left, there are some escalators to go up, and that's where you need to head to. On my left is Athens Airport. I have just came up the escalator and I need to follow this bridge area all the way to the right hand side. It is still a distance. When you're there, buy your travel card. I got a visitor's pass at the counter. There's an information desk which gives you very helpful information. I would recommend getting one of these. It tells you the exact prices, so you might want to pay for singles. However, I'm not very good with the heat, so I wanted unlimited even for smaller walks. And I will tell you, it is a lifesaver. If you don't want to buy from the counter, there are machines all around that you can buy from. When you're ready, go through the barriers and head down the escalators and take the train. There are two that come from here. One goes to the rural area and one goes into the city. Technically, you can take the rural one and transfer. All of the undergrounds are on time. However, they don't run as often as I was expecting. There may be about 10-20 minutes. With the card, you can also use it on the tram. The tram is extremely busy because it goes towards the coast. So you could just sit on the floor because I saw a lot of people doing it. With the pass, you can use it to go all the way back to the airport as well. The airport journey itself is almost the price of the visitor's ticket, so it's actually worth it. So I am flying back to England, so we have to go through the same way, the very long journey of travelators. So I just went through security and they need everything out, like all the electronics, even your coins and your keys. There's a lot of stuff to take out. That's the first time I ever experienced that, having to take out coins. Once you're through, you go through this little floor. There's not much here. Everyone's sat on the floor and a bit of duty free. And then you just wait until your plane. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.